and this is with switch 4.
0203.
I'm going to say switch port, mode, dynamic, desirable over here. Okay. And if you will check, so interface trunk. So interface trunk over here, are you able to see? These all interfaces are configured as trunk. Yes.
Yeah, 0201. Okay.
So now these all link are trunk. These all link are trunk. This is your trunk link. Now here also I'm going to say these all port to dynamic desirable. Okay.
Okay.
So let me take you on switch number 4.
So even in one single command you did all
Yes.
the ranges.
Yeah. Interface range E 0/023 and E 1/022.
02. Okay.
Yes, that's it. Say switch port mode.
E/13. That another one is E/13. That is not required.
Here I have configured now this port as desirable, and this one is
Okay.
auto, so automatic trunk will form now.
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dynamic desirable. And now these link are trunk, these link are trunk, these link are trunk, these link are trunk. This is trunk link. Now only one link is left, this link. Yes. So let me take you on any switch 2 or switch 3. So let me configure switch 3, and here I am going to say configure interface E2/0 and switch port mode dynamic desirable. Yes. Now what I am going to do, I am going to configure VTP domain name. Okay.
Domain, VTP domain name is.
So here on switch number 4, on any switch you can configure VTP domain name, it will propagate. VTP domain name, and you can define the name, let's say CCNA. Got it? Okay, how you can verify? So VTP status. Mode is by default server and name is
CCNA.
Let me check on any other switch that name is propagated or not, because link between switches are configured as trunk. So VTP status.
Yeah, it's
fine.
Existing VLAN, yeah.
Okay. So whatever VLAN you will configure, that VLAN will propagate automatically. Yes or no?
Correct.
Now next thing, I need to create some VLAN on all switches. So I am going to configure it on this switch. Switch number 4. VLAN 10
But okay. So here I have one question. The switch 1 is the server, no? That the rest all client, correct?
Okay. Let me make this switch as server and all switch as client. Okay.
Okay.
So
by default, all the
by
switches,
default all switches are server mode.
Server mode. Okay. Then okay, no problem. Then you can go ahead. Yeah, please.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah, you can go ahead. Then
So
it's
here,
automatically sync.
Yeah, definitely. So you can do that now later on.
Yeah, no problem. That's why I said you can skip.
So VLAN, how we can create multiple VLAN by single command?
Yeah, VLAN 10, 20, 30 directly.
VLAN 10,
10, 20.
no.
It's not okay.
No.
Multiple.
But here, if you will put question mark, here you are getting some option.
Okay.
VLAN.
The group is there.
10
Group is there. VLAN.
Okay. If you will
okay,
check
10
do,
icon,
so
20.
VLAN brief. Okay.
Okay, man. Okay.
Now, if you want to verify on any other switches, you can verify. Let me show you on switch number 3. So, VTP status, name is CCNA, and so VLAN brief. Okay. Now I need to change. I need to configure what? EtherChannel. So to bundle all link between switches, what I am going to do, I need to bundle these link. I need to bundle these link. I need to bundle these link and these link. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say start from switch number 1. This is very important, Vijay.
Yeah, it's I'm watching this and I will do the practical as well.
Interface range E0/023. I am bundling these links. So first of all, I will don this interface. Okay. After that, channel group. Between switch 1 and switch 2, I am using channel group number what? 12. Okay. And then mode is active. Fine.
Group number 12 you are created. Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
let me do same thing on switch number 2. Enable config mode, interface range E0/02 3, say shutdown, and channel group. Let me use same number 12, and mode is either I can configure active or passive. Yes. Let me
Active,
configure what passive.
passive. Okay.
Now I am going to say no set here also, and on switch number 1 also I am going to say no set. How you can verify? So IP interface brief, that port channel is up or not.
Yeah, it's up. It's up or not? Yeah, man.
Okay. Now I'm going to bundle these link. Again, let me take you on switch number 1. Between switch 1 and switch 3, I will use channel group number 13. Okay. Interface range E1/02 say shutdown, channel group number is 13, and mode is again active. Fine. Where is switch 3? Here it is. Config T, interface range E1/02 3, say shutdown, channel group is, let's say, 13, and mode is, let's say, passive. Fine. Say no set here also, and here also no set. Right. Now on switch, if you will run command, so IP interface brief.
So both side you are doing correct. This.
Where is port channel 12? This is my switch
13.
1.
So interface.
I have not run no set. Yeah, I have run no set command. So here, so IP interface brief. 12 is also up, and 13 is also
okay.
up. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Now I need to bundle these link and these link. Yes or no?
Yeah. So switch 4, if you take, we can do it, no?
Yeah. First of all, I am going to run command on switch 3. And which protocol I am using to bundle? LACP or PAGP?
LACP, man.
Yes. Interface range E0/02 3, and channel group number between switch 3 and 4. I am going to use group number 34. Say mode is what? Active. Right. Now I need to configure switch 4. Interface range E0/02 3, channel group number is 34, and mode is what?
So why you create another group also for this is separate group you are creating?
You know, I am creating so that while troubleshooting, you will have knowledge about between switch 1 and switch 2. I am running group number what? 12. Right. 1 from switch 1 and 2 from switch 2.
Okay.
Right. Okay. You are saying to bundle these all link together.
No. Not like that. Only the switch to switch only we can bundle it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
No, that group channel you are creating for different.
So definitely you have to use channel number different for this one and for this one. Yes or no? If you will use same channel group number to bundle these link, that definitely this link will unbundled automatically.
Okay.
Yes.
That the theory is okay.
Now where I watch on, I think switch number 4. 34 has configured. Okay, I have run no set command here, and now I need to interface range E1/02 2.
Prabhul, what he is trying to explain, in switch number 3 also you are configured with 34.
Yeah.
In switch number 4 also you have to configure the 34.
No, you can use any number that is locally significant, but make sure you will not use same number for this link and this link.
Okay.
I am using same port number to while troubleshooting. It will help you.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Suppose if any EtherChannel is not working between two switches. Suppose here EtherChannel is not working. So now you need to troubleshoot. So on both sides you are running same channel group number, right? And you have multiple channel group on switches. So it will help you while troubleshooting now. Yes or no?
Correct, man. Yeah. Easily we can troubleshoot at least.
Yeah. So on switch number 4, interface range 0/1/02, 0/2, and here I am going to create channel group what? Channel group 4, and switch number 4 and switch number 2 I am going to run, suppose channel group number 20, and mode is, let's say, active. Fine. Now on switch number 2,
For
interface
redundancy
range.
purpose, only we are using that load balancing plus redundancy. The
Yes,
both
yes.
purpose we are using that Ethernet channel, correct?
Exactly.
For in our scenario, if we need to do it like for redundancy purpose, we need to buy another device also, correct?
Yes.
The physical device.
But you don't consider this. Suppose this is you are designing a network for a mall. You don't need to create like this. But if you are designing a network for airport, right, redundancy is required there. Yes or no? For a single second, if network will goes down, right?
Yeah, correct. It's up to requirement. Like
many people will miss their flight. Yes or no?
Yeah. Correct. If it's a dependent availability.
Yeah. Got it?
Yeah, man.
On switch number 2.
So now maybe our management, they told us why we need to spend this much money for redundancy. If anything goes down, we can do it again.
Yeah. Suppose I have an internet connectivity at my home, right? So just 5-6 मिनट पहले क्या हो गई थी, लाइट चली गई, कनेक्टिविटी गया. Yes.
इसलिए हम नहीं ले सकते ना दूसरा लाइन.
Yeah, because it's not required. अगर if light has gone, then I put one message in group that please wait for some time, right? But on airport, hostage will not tell you that wait, light has gone or server has goes down.
Okay, man. Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah, obviously correct. Yeah, okay.
So channel group 24 mode is passive, right?
Yeah.
Now I have done with the configuration of EtherChannel. Yes, on all switches. You can verify on any switches that channel group is up or not. Let me verify on switch number 4. So, or you can simply run command show interface. By default, first command should be you know what? So EtherChannel protocol.
First EtherChannel protocol.
You are able to see that here I am running 2 EtherChannel.
24.
Yes, or if you want to check this group, that this group is working fine or not, so you can run command show interface P24. Are you able to see that status is up and protocol is up? Yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah. It's
on any switches you can verify, and while troubleshooting, if you have configured same group number both sides, definitely it will help you a lot to troubleshoot. Yes or no? Now you can see with the help of this command, so IP protocol, I am able to see, so EtherChannel protocol. I am able to see that this group is between switch 2 and 4. This group is between switch 3 and 4. Yes or no?
Yeah. Easily understand, no?
Yeah. इसीलिए अगर real time में, if you know, most of the organization is doing what if they have 2 router, right, in their network, in their enterprise network. So they are using, this is router 1, this is router 2. They are using 12 network between router 1 and router 2. Why? While troubleshooting, it will help them. Yes or no?
That
if
one,
you will use 12 network,
means,
23 network, you will easily understand that, okay, 12 network is running between router 1 and router 2. 23 network is running between router 2 and router 3. Yes?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Getting your point is.
Okay. Now, I need to configure what? A spanning tree mode. RPVST. By default, the spanning tree is running what? So, a spanning tree. And summary, you can put here summary command to check which type of a spanning tree you are running over here. PVST. So, whenever anything change will occur, right, it will take 30 seconds or maybe 50 seconds. Yes? So, here I need to change it. So, go to global config mode and say spanning tree mode.
Spanning tree mode RPVST.
Okay. On switch number 2 also. A spanning tree mode RPVST. On switch number 3 also. A spanning tree.
That's it. Single command. If you run single command colors. Okay.
Yes, single command. On here also. A spanning tree mode.
Yeah, man, you did, simply you did for this. I understand how we are doing now.
Yeah, but now still one problem is there, right? By default, load balancing algorithm.
That we need to check.
So, EtherChannel.
So, Ethernet
load balance. Channel. See, I have configured what? Source destination IP. I have configured it.
No, man. Then how it's coming immediately?
On switch number 2 also, let me verify. So, EtherChannel. So EtherChannel load balance. Okay, but on real devices, as you know, by default, which algorithm is running? Source, Mac. This is simulation software. Okay, don't compare this switch as your real device.
So you are escape now.
Okay, but in real time, what you will do here? You will change the algorithm, load balancing algorithm. So on all switches, you have to run one more command here. What command? Port channel. Port channel. After that, how many port channel are there? 12 and
see,
13.
Okay.
Yes or no? We have
sorry, I didn't.
How many port channel are there on this switch? On switch number 1, you can easily.
Number 1 port channels. Okay, there is
12,
1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, 1,
and
2,
13.
and
Yes or no?
13. Yeah, correct, man.
So this is the reason why I have configured same port channel on both sides.
Got it.
You can verify it as well by running command what? So EtherChannel protocol. Yes.
Yeah, the 12 and 13 LACP. Okay.
Now,
that load balancing only I am little confusing, man. That load balancing, the algorithm you are telling, na, the source to destination MAC.
Okay. Yes, let me explain you again. See here, this is PC whose MAC address is A, and default gateway for this user will be what? This one, this interface. Suppose here MAC address is what? E1. Suppose this is your real device. So what by default algorithm is running? Hello.
Algorithm is Yes. Hello.
Tell me which algorithm is running by default on real devices. Source, MAC.
Source to destination. Yeah. Source
Right?
to MAC.
So this switch will do what? This switch will translate this MAC address into binary. Binary of A will be 1010. It will use how many bits? How many links are there between switches?
3 switches, 4 links.
4 links, so it will use only
3.
What will be the decimal value?
That 0, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2.
2. Which link it will use?
3. Yeah, 4.
You will get value
3 man. 2.
3 man.
Yeah, 3.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me which link this switch will use to forward traffic to router. This switch have this link, this link. Which link switch will use? Tell me.
How I will find out?
Oh my God! What happened? MAC address of this switch is suppose 0A. MAC address of this switch is
I
suppose
didn't
0B.
see here, na. Yeah.
MAC address of this
Now
switch is
I can
0C, 0D. Tell me which switch will become root bridge.
0A is the
Now
root bridge.
consider there are only one link between this switch, right?
Yeah, this is the way. Yeah, correct.
This is P13. This is also P13. Yes or no?
P13. Yeah.
Here also we have only one link. P12.
P12 and P12.
P12. Here I have also one link. That is nothing but P24.
P24.
Here also we have one link. That is nothing but P34 and P34. Yes or no? So this switch will become what? Root bridge. Both port of this switch will become what?
Destination. DP.
This port will become what?
This
RP.
is RP.
This port will
RP.
become also
This
what?
RP. RP.
This port will also become what? RP. Yes or no?
Yeah, correct, man. Yeah, this opposite OC, that OC go to OC, switch 3.
Yeah.
That
Tell
side,
me, this port will become what? This port or this port?
This one is DP.
Don't consider these two links for now, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me, this port will become what? DP? And this
Yeah,
port
man,
will
yeah,
become
DP.
what? Alternate. Yes or no?
Alternate.
In the
On
same
the
way,
top also we need to do, yeah.
this port will become what? DP, and this will become what?
RP.
Alternate.
Alternate, okay.
Yes. That means when this user will send traffic to
No, if both side is alternative comes, then S4 should be wrong now.
This port will become what? RP.
RP. That's why I'm asking, yeah.
So it will use which path? This path.
So now, yeah, only.
Yes. And now here, how many links we have?
4 links, man.
4 links. So by using load balancing, it will use which link? Link number 3. So it will forward traffic from this physical link. Yes. Because switch cannot forward traffic by using this logical link, na?
Okay.
If suppose now there is one computer whose MAC address is 0B, tell me which link this switch will use?
0B, na?
Yeah.
0B, A, B, 11, no? Then
by the way, you know, Vijay, this port will not become your RP. This port will become RP because MAC address of this switch is lower than this switch. Yes, this port will become RP and this port will become alternate. It will
Become
use this
alternate.
path, right? It will use
Yeah,
link
yeah,
number
yeah.
3.
RB.
When this
Correct, correct.
machine whose MAC address is 0B will send traffic, maybe it will use this link, this link, this link, right? Any one link.
Okay, man. Okay.
But it will perform, all
1,
switches will
2.
perform load balancing for the traffic which will go outside from inside. But for traffic which will come from outside to inside, for that switches will not perform load balancing. Yes or no? Because by default
Correct.
algorithm which is running is source MAC address. So I have to tell to switch that you should use both source as well as destination to perform load balancing. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Correct.
Getting my point?
So
Hello, Vijay.
yeah, this last you told that
Yes,
destination to
what I am seeing, if here is one user whose MAC address is 0A, for that it will use link number 3.
3. Correct.
Right, the link number 3 is this one, right? After that, in the same way, this switch will also perform load balancing. So it will check source MAC, so it will convert it into binary, and then it will identify that I need to use which link, yes or no. Maybe this switch will use this link, okay?
Okay.
And
Okay.
after that, this switch will forward to
Forward
router,
to there. Okay. Okay.
right? Here source will be A, destination will be suppose E.
Will
Okay.
be E.
Now suppose
Okay.
this machine whose MAC address is 0B is sending one traffic. Maybe this switch will use this link. Okay. And here this switch is also using this link to forward. But when router will generate reply to both PC, to PC A, source MAC will be what? E. For B also, in the reply packet of PC B, source MAC will be what? E.
Okay.
Suppose there are 1000 computer, for all source MAC will be what? E always. When router will give reply, yes or no?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So
yeah.
definitely this switch will use only single link now, because it will use only source MAC address to perform load balancing.
Correct, man. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So
Clear,
that
man.
is the reason why I need to change load balancing algorithm. If you will go with by default load balancing algorithm, then your switches will perform load balancing only for the traffic which will go from inside to outside. It will not perform load balancing for the traffic which will come from outside to onside. Suppose this router is connected with your ISP, okay? And through these switches there are lots of user. So when this user will send traffic to internet, it will perform load balancing. But when internet will generate reply, this switch will use only a single link, because every time source MAC will be the MAC address of default gateway. Yes or no?
Yeah. Correct.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah. 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 I am getting. So
Now-
which one is default we need to use? Like source to.
Source MAC and destination MAC.
Okay. Okay. Source
Right.
to address. Okay.
If you will tell to switch that you should use both source MAC and destination MAC. So when this router will generate reply, source will be E and destination will be what? A.
Yeah.
Right? When switch will receive, it will perform load balancing. It will convert both value into binary. Right?
So which one is good actually? Which one is good for
Definitely source and destination MAC, na?
source and destination? Okay.
If you want to utilize all link, why you have bundled these all link together? To utilize bandwidth between switches, yes or no?
Yeah, man. Okay.
But still your switches is using only single link.
Okay, got it, man. Got it. Got it.
If you
got
will
it.
check now spanning tree, now spanning tree is not running on physical interface. Now spanning tree is running on the ether channel port, the port which you have created. So let me show you. If you will run so spanning tree over here, you can see STP is running on both port. No any port is in blocking state, yes or no?
Correct.
Except this port. This port is, I am talking about this port, this port. This is in blocking state. These all ports are in active state. These all ports are in active state.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Man. Okay. Yeah. 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 Clear.
So how we can change load balancing algorithm now? Very simple. In global config mode, you will say what? Port channel
Port
load
channel,
balance. After that, algorithm. Which
source
algorithm
to
you want to
MAC,
use? So I want to
to
use source,
destination.
destination, MAC.
Destination,
Right
MAC,
now, if you will verify, so ether channel load balance. Are you able to see the algorithm?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it, man. Okay. 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 Source destination MAC.
On every switches, you need to run this command. Okay. So what I can do?
Okay.
I can copy this command from here, and let me run on all switches. On switch 2 also, enable config T, and let me paste it over here. On switch number 3 also, let me paste it over here. Enable config T.
Even in single switch also we can do it Ethernet channel. Is it possible? A single switch, that means single device also we can do it from one core switch to access switch. We can bundle it like that. Is it possible?
Yeah, can you speak again? I didn't get your point.
No. What I am asking, you know my scenario, my office scenario, correct?
Okay.
In my office scenario, we can do it for, I can use for that Ethernet channel.
No.
Topology
You
like
have
that?
only a single link between switches.
Single link between the switches. That's
There
why
is,
I'm
if
asking.
there is no backup link, right? You don't need to configure even STP as well. Why you are running STP there?
STP
If there is no backup link, then how loop can form? Loop cannot form, no? If topology is like this. Do you think that loop
No,
can form here? No.
But some of the devices it's connect to internally actually, like stacking.
Okay, then definitely
Reddit,
you should use STP, but you don't need to use EtherChannel then.
Ethernet channel. Okay.
If you have multiple link between switches, right?
Switches,
Then
then we
STP
need to
will allow
use.
you to use only single link. Suppose I have two switch and between it I have connected 4 link. So STP will allow me to use only a single link, right? It will block this 3 port. So if I want to use all links, so I can bundle with the help of EtherChannel. Yes or no? But suppose if we have only a single link, then why I will configure EtherChannel? We don't need to use it.
But in access switch, we have continuous 3 switch or interlink. No, that also it's considered like a single link, correct? That internally I am talking.
There you can configure EtherChannel.
Okay. That means internal. That from our core
definitely
switch.
100%. You should configure, and I think your engineer have already configured there. It is not
No man,
possible.
I didn't do that configuration. I am clear that I told you, no. I will tell you that the core switch from access switch. In one IDF we have 3 switches. Access switches is there. It's internally 1-to-1 connected, like from internally connected. I will send you topology, then you can understand. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Yes, I need architect.
Okay, I will send you. I will draw a picture and